So this is the finished look. Absolutely chef's kiss on this unit, guys. All right, guys, so you already know what it is. We are back today with another hair video. So shout out to Hermosa Hair for sponsoring today's video. So we are back with this beautiful chocolate brown colored unit, guys. Very, very pretty. Now this is a 13x4 unit, guys. She's 26 inches long. Now this unit is actually very affordable if you're looking for something long, full 13x4 and a little bit of a change of a color. I will go ahead and list the information down below. Make sure you guys go ahead and shop my link. This is super affordable, guys. So hopefully this is something that you guys are interested in. So this is what the cap looks like, guys. It's a nice 13x4 cap, very large. It comes with an adjustable strap and also comes with adjustable hooks in the back of this one, so the unit's going to be super secure. Today I'm going to go ahead and even spray this one down just because I want it to look really sleeky and really nice. I did go ahead and bleach the knots ever so lightly on this unit. Even though the unit does come prepared ever so slightly, I did go ahead and add a little dom touch to it, so I bleached the knots just a little bit. And I did not tweeze this unit, guys, so I left everything pretty much the same. The density, look at the density of this one, the length. I did go ahead and do like a little curl and cut on it on the mannequin head. So today's gonna be a quick install, but I am gonna show you guys how I curl it on camera for you guys, how I style it. It is a pretty, you know, simple wig. The only thing that's really magical about this wig is the color and the style. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little oomph with this unit. You can go ahead and wear this unit straight, but with my videos and my hair videos, I like to give you guys a little flair just to kind of show you guys how to really dazzle this unit up, guys. You guys already know a chocolate color like this looks very nice against any skin tone, and this color definitely compliments me to the T, guys. So let me go ahead and pop this unit off and put this in. All right, y'all, so as you guys can see, the hair is gorgeous. Like I said, I did go ahead and cut it a little bit, cut a little layer in the front, and I did curl it. So this is what it looks like as far as the base. You guys can see the wig is nice and flat. This is how it fits on a medium to average cap size head, so it pretty much lands at a perfect stance. I don't think I'm gonna have to trim any of this, and I'm probably just gonna leave this like this. I'm not gonna do a baby hair. I want it to be like a little bit clean so you guys can actually see the hairline. I did go ahead and make a small baby hair right here, but we're gonna, you know, jazz that up. Only in that spot. I don't think I'm doing a baby hair right here. I usually would, but nah. I actually like it like this, and you guys can see that this area falls very flat as well too, lands perfectly. I'm a medium to average cap size head, so this unit fits my head to the T, guys. To the T. So they did a good job on the cap construction. It's super accurate. You guys can see the parting space right here. Parting space looks good. I'm gonna go in with my Red by Kiss tinting melting spray in the medium brown, and I'm gonna spray the inner part of this cap, guys, and I'll be right back. So I went in with my Red by Kiss lace tinting spray in the color medium brown, and you guys can see already, just looks very natural, matches my skin tone and everything. Just needed to do that instead of using powder. Sometimes I like to use powder, sometimes I don't. I just found like this is just much easier lately for me to do my wig install, so I'm sticking by my man right here, okay? So I'm going in with my Even Wonder lace. I think I got enough in here to do a, ooh, girl. But I'll be able to get it down. Either way, the wig is still pretty glueless even if you didn't glue it down or spray it down anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray on my skin first. Big forehead gang gang. So I'm gonna spray my forehead area first and let this dry out. And then I'm gonna place it down. And then I'm gonna cut the lace with the lace still attached, because sometimes I feel like when you're doing 13x4s, the wig stays more secure if you cut the lace afterwards. I'm just now learning that, but I haven't really glued wigs down or used adhesives on wigs in a couple of months now since the wig game has changed. But this one, like I said, you don't really need to do that. I'm just doing it because I really like the color and I want to wear this for like a day or two. So that's why I'm, you know, spraying it down. But you guys can see how it laid without even being glued down. It looked pretty good. Hopefully I didn't eat up all my forehead, but I pulled this down as much as I needed it to. So what I'm gonna do first is just cut the ear tab section right here. I might snip a little extra off just to fit my head completely, but I'm gonna cut this part off first because it makes sense to do that before I start gluing down the wig completely, just so that I know exactly where I want to see. This part lands perfectly right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this side just so that I'm super comfortable with the wig and not just having like a little bit of irritation with like extra hair that I need in the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this right along the ear tab. I said the ear tab, right along the ear to make sure that it sits perfect. So I decided to go ahead and cut the hairline now just because the wig is pretty much tacky with the spray that I did on my perimeter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. And I'm not doing anything in particular. Like you guys can see, look how that already lays down pretty flat. So I'm just gonna cut some off and then I'm gonna spray. It made more sense this way. So I think that's how I'm gonna do it if I ever decide to glue down some wigs for some things. Is just to use it for the skin spray and then I can go ahead and cut the lace off because it works better that way. Anyways, but like I said, I haven't done a glued 13x4 or sprayed down 13x4 unit in a while. So, you know, just, you know, fixing up my technique a little bit, but yeah, so that looks good. So the baby hair is still being nice and easy to spread out right here. And you can see, obviously the ear tab part, you know, you're gonna have to spray that part down a little bit more because obviously that part's gonna lift on both sides fast. But we're gonna do a quick little spray down and then we're gonna start curling the hair up so I can show you guys how. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the unit. I usually spray above because this even wonder lace tends to run. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray above it on the hairline just to make sure that everything stays sleek and nice on both sides. Obviously you guys saw the ear tabs are the area that probably needs a little bit more reinforcement, but I don't have to use glue on it. The spray will do enough job just to keep this down. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my melting wig wig band just to get everything to really stay down nice. So y'all can see. All right, y'all, as you guys can tell, the unit is giving. So we're gonna work on putting some curls in the hair. The hairline is very pretty, guys. Actually, instead of starting the curls first, I'm gonna actually work on the top part of the wig. So I got a wax stick. I'm gonna go ahead and press the top down just to get all the sections that I want to be super smooth and nice, so that we have a nice transitional flow through. Obviously, the even leaves a little bit of a, you know, hard part here, which I, you know, just pluck out with the comb. I put a little bit of the wax stick on it just to kind of make everything smooth. The color is very pretty on this unit, guys. Like, look at how pretty this unit is. Very pretty. I could have done like a little baby hair right here, but I opted not to. I just tucked it behind my ear because you guys saw how I fixed that up or whatever. So I think it looks good like this. Just add the wax stick against the perimeter to make sure everything looks smooth. Now I'm gonna go with the hot comb on the top. Again, just to flatten everything out because we want to do some nice glam curls and have a nice clean base. Obviously the hair has like a little curl to it because I did pre-curl it, but I'm gonna go ahead and amplify it up for you guys on camera. The curling iron that I use is the Hot Tools 1/4 inch barrel curler, so I'm gonna leave that down below on my Amazon storefront if you guys are interested in purchasing that. I remember Amazon, being an Amazon storefront influencer was such a big thing like a year and a half ago. It is just so annoying and boring now, but I'm gonna still leave that link down below for you guys. If you buy it, you buy it. If you don't, then you don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the curls mostly in the back, just because I feel like the front part of this wig, the frontal part, 13x4 part, definitely holds a really nice curl. The back curl's a good curl too, but you're definitely gonna have to add hairspray and stuff. This is the Hot Tool curling iron, guys. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below, but I want to get a nice curl on this unit so I can show you guys how lovely it is and just hair sprayed up. You guys will see what it looks like, but you guys already know my curl set is always giving what it needs to give. But for the purpose of the video, I just wanted to show it to you guys. So it's gonna see a way to style. The unit did come to me in a straight texture, but we're not doing no straight texture. We're gonna go ahead and give it a whirl. So giving it a whirl requires us putting some curls in it. So really like this, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and curl it and I'll be back. I feel like curling this on camera is kind of like, you know what I mean? Like, you guys already get it. You guys already get the steps, but I guess I'll show you guys some of it. I'm gonna use a Tresemme Freeze Hold Hairspray. Now, I like this, but it's definitely not on the strength of Even Wonder Lace, the black one that I use all the time. It's definitely not giving this type of vibe, but for an overall hairspray on the wig, on the hair itself, I'll use this one. I'll kind of go a little bit heavy. I have my setting on my curling iron all the way up to 450, so it does a pretty good job. I'm just gonna do some really nice, kind of the same amount of hair on both sides, like same sections. I feel like when you do the same amount of hair all the way through, instead of doing like small curls, big curls, the same size curls just work out way better, way better. All right, y'all, so the curls are done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb it out with my fingers. You guys can see nice, tight curls. I feel like the frontal, the 13x4 part of this unit definitely gives you a nice little curl. I did go ahead and cut some layers into this unit, guys, just to kind of frame my face. But look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. You can go ahead and slide your hand right through the top like that. No issues, and on both sides as well. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead with the spray one more time. I like to get the area once I pull it to see what it kind of looks like. Kind of get that vibe right there. Y'all see this? Gorgeous. I do the same thing on this side too. And just kind of bring it back down. So a quick little pull up. And then shake it down like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and spray this ear just so they can all stay in like uniform. So this is, like, this is some pretty hair. Very, very, very pretty hair, guys. Like, look at that. Just absolutely stunning. I love that the straight hair definitely curls very nicely, gives volume and all that kind of jazz. I love me like a little bang situation. I haven't done like a side part in a while, so this side part situation right here is giving what it needs to give. So, okay guys, what are we thinking? All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. Absolutely chef's kiss on this unit, guys. Very, very, very pretty. Hermosa Hair did a very nice job on this unit, guys. Like I said, this unit is super affordable if you're looking for something long, full, and 13x4 beautiful wig. Now, I know a lot of you guys aren't into this kind of like chocolate colored number, but I think that this looks absolutely gorgeous if you're trying color for the spring and summer season. Definitely a really nice transitional wig, guys. You can't really tell me nothing right now because it's giving what it's supposed to give. I kind of stepped back to show you guys the length. It's a true 26-inch length, and you guys can see that the hair has a lot of volume. Obviously, I think this unit would do really well. Even though it's a straight unit, it curls very nicely, as you guys can tell. But what I definitely think will help this unit out is some flexi rods in the back. Now, some nice tight flexi rods in the back will keep a nice volume in the back, and I think that would be kind of the solution if you want to do curls that are long lasting. Obviously, it's more of a loose pattern right now with my 1/4-inch barrel curler from Hot Tools, but I'm telling y'all, some flexi rods done right on this unit is the business. This unit is very pretty, guys. I want to show you guys something different as far as styling, so I did a side part this time. I did like a small layer until you guys can see like a little bit of a bang situation going on, and a nice light layer right here. Look at the volume of this hair. Like, do y'all like, look at this volume, look at this luster, look at this density, look at this amount of glam, look at this amount of good vibes that this unit is giving. This is definitely a super nice unit, guys. If you guys have any graduations coming up in May, if you guys have spring break coming up, if you guys have a Mother's Day event, Mother's Day brunch, this is definitely a nice classical spring type of look, guys, and definitely adding a little bit of a different color vibe to it. This chocolate color is to die for. It's not doing too much. It doesn't clash with my skin tone. And then, like I said, like I always say, it's just giving what it needs to give, honey, okay? So I'll go ahead and leave all the information down below, guys. Make sure you guys go ahead and shop my link down below so you guys can get this unit at the really nice, affordable price for you guys. Like I said, for my girls out there that like a little something long, a little something full, I got something for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll leave all the information down below per usual, guys, and I will catch you guys in a later one.